So here we are at the Wool Growers restaurant for Basque breakfast after the Kern County Basque Club picnic. So here we go. We're gonna go inside and take a quick look. See what people are doing. It's towards the end of the Basque breakfast. And here we have the pilotariac. Oh, they're like, uh-oh, watch out. Oh, wow, look at this group over here. Look at this group over here. No video. I'm not going to shoot you. I'm going this way.
I was just going to tell you thank you for the book.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, no problem.
It's not like it's going to take the job.
Hello, say hello to everybody. Oh no. Hey, how are you?
Yes, sir. Can you send me tickets?
Uh-oh. Hey, what's that?
How you doing?
I'm doing well. I know, catch. Yeah, watch out, right? All right. Hello. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, how are you?
Hi, Henny.
Oh, that's me.
Sorry.
Not a problem. Watch out. Be careful. Watch out. And we will leave off this video in the parking lot and bring someone special into this video. JB and Mayie.